Hello, Chippewa students. This is Miss Hallahan, the principal of Chippewa, and I just wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about masks. As you all know, starting Monday, February 28th, masks are no longer required but are recommended for students and staff who work in the Mounds View Public School system. So, what does this mean for Chippewa? Here at Chippewa, we have a culture of kindness and respect. Some students are still going to choose to wear masks. They may do so for a variety of reasons. Maybe they have a compromised immune system or a health condition. Maybe they have a loved one who has cancer. They may be directed to do so by their parents or guardians, and they may choose to wear a mask because it simply makes them feel more safe and secure. Regardless of the reason, we are going to respect their wishes. You should not ask a classmate or an adult in this building why they are wearing a mask, and most definitely do not offer any negative comments. Because we have a culture of kindness and respect here at Chippewa, conversely, this is true as well. Students may choose not to wear masks, and they're going to do so for a variety of reasons, and that is their individual choice. We will not ask them why they're choosing to not wear a mask, nor will we negatively comment on their non-mask wearing. So what happens if you have a good friend and the two of you don't see this issue the same way? Each and every person in this building deserves kindness and understanding. If you and a friend have a differing view on this, please consider a kind compromise. If it's important to someone to wear a mask, consider putting on one as well when you interact with that person. There are still some requirements. By federal mandate, all students must wear a mask on the bus. This is true for school buses, for city buses, for airplanes. If you've had COVID and you come back after 5 days, you must wear a mask for 5 more days. So that's day number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of quarantine. And as always, if you are sick, please stay home. This is more important than ever. I feel like too often we are too one-sided. There are tons of arguments that are happening in society right now at a local level, at a global level, and often we only see one side of an issue. There's really many more than one side to an issue. Issues are really complicated, and this mask wearing issue is an example of a complicated issue. We want our students to be empathetic and kind towards one another. Please be respectful of each and every classmate and the choices that they and their families are making. When in doubt, be kind and accommodating. Take good care of yourself and each other. Thanks so much. I wish you a great day.